Hello everyone, this is Jim Okrasinski with your weekly screencast video. So this week we begin our work in Chapter 1. Chapter 1 is all about developing a research topic. One thing I want to stress is the research topic that we work on, that you propose in discussion board 7, that is exercise 1.5, excuse me, in the textbook, is the research topic that you will carry through for the rest of the semester. So all subsequent assignments, the annotated bibliography, and the exercises that ask for your research topic are all this particular topic. It is the focus of a COM 102 course. This is not a series of one-off assignments or research topics. The purpose behind 102 is an extended research topic, ultimately ending the semester with the research essay. So, that being said, let's get to the module for the week. Alrighty, I think it's really important to take a look at some of the readings and activities that we have set out here. Some of the sections in Chapter 1 that would be beneficial for you is listed here. There'll be a lecture video later in the week, and of course discussion boards 6 and 7 are the topic of the week here. So one thing I do want to talk a little bit about is an idea of adding a discourse community to your thinking for a research topic. Might take a little bit of time to kind of grasp what a research topic might, a discourse community might be. However, there will be a short lecture video that I'll produce in another day or so about the specifics. But if you have some time, there are a couple of readings that I have linked here. First is John Swales' article on the concept of a discourse community. This could be a really quick skim, get the idea of what a discourse community might be, and some examples here. What's a little bit more interesting of a read is Dan Melzer's article, and I suggest everybody spend a little time looking at Melzer's article. It is a downloadable PDF. If you have a particular AI program that you use, ChatGPT, Gemini in your Google Drive or with Google, you may want to upload this and ask it for a detailed summary. It'll really do a good job of distilling down some of the main points in this particular reading about a discourse community, provide some framework on what you might be able to get from this. So the idea here would be is to just look at what Melzer and Swales work on together. I've already uploaded this and asked it for my AI program to give me a summary, and it does a good job. So it's an interesting read about discourse communities. The truth is that we do belong to a wide variety of discourse communities, and it might yield some interesting topics for your research topic throughout this semester. All right, let me get back to the schedule again. Once again, we are working on Topics Week. So if you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.